How to fix incoming call busy problem on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Scroll down, hit towards the option of phone. Once you find it, open it. Now over here you will find different options. Scroll down, open this option, silence unknown callers. Make sure you have toggle off for this option. Likewise, hit back. Open the option blocked contacts. Make sure you haven't accidentally blocked any contacts. If you have blocked the contact, you will not receive phone calls, messages, email or FaceTime. After you check these, you can hit back. Go to the main page of settings. Go to the option General, scroll all the way down. Click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix incoming call busy problem on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.